Okay. Here's my van. The exterior is in really good shape. There's actually windows on both doors, which is perfect. And it's got doors on both sides for the back. It's a bit of a mess inside at the moment. We've got new things that I purchased for it. This is actually a portable toilet, and then those boxes down on the bottom are insulation, which I'm going to start putting on the walls and doors and things. I've got a temporary bed in here right now, and the spare tire is under my snowshoes. I'm waiting on parts at the dealership to have that placed underneath. But yeah, this is it. The front's messy too, because I was cleaning the windows and I'm charging my laptop. But everything is pretty standard. The seats are a bit dirty, but in good shape. So overall, everything is pretty good about it. Everything works. There's nothing damaged. Got my overhead bin. There is lining on the ceiling. I'm gonna have to find out if there's insulation up in there, because I may have to tear that out, but we'll see. So the one thing I am going to have to do is tear out this. It's like the one thing in here that's in really rough shape. You can see I mean, the whole thing is pretty torn up. And I'm gonna have to find out, there's water sitting in there, so I'm gonna have to find out where that came from, where it's coming in. It might be somewhere inside here, but we'll figure that out. So yeah, I'm slowly getting things that I need just so I can use it right now, sort of as is, while I work on it. Because I'm camping mostly on weekends, on and off. One thing I do really like about it is, if you can see that little black dot right there is actually the 12-volt plug-in. So it's nice to have that back there so I can use everything back here too, while I'm back here. That's pretty nice. Okay, so taking the toilet out of its box, and it's pretty basic. Simple lid, basic. Oh, that's gonna bug me. I'm gonna have to peel that later. Just a little flush handle at the front. This bottom separates so that you can pull off the bottom container and empty it, which makes it super easy. And this actually, it's just a super easy thing to use. I'm gonna have to read everything about it so that I know how to use it all. I'm pretty sure that's how you fill it with water.